come here. Look, man, I made up my mind. It's yours now. End of discussion. End of discussion.
Come on, Kobe, come on, make that shot. Ah, miss. Oh, hey, what's up?
Hey, I've got dinner.
Alright. Did you get a toy with your kids' meal?
You're so funny. Nah, Harry gave it to me.
Harry gave you a clown horn?
Yeah, I mean, he said it belonged to some famous clown or something. I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't work.
Yeah, a famous clown with a broken horn. I can see it now. Yeah. You know, when you're an old clown, it's hard to be horny.
How did you do that?
I have absolutely no idea. But that poem was amazing, right?
Oh yeah, it was a killer.
Oh, come on, man. It was fun, man.
Who's laughing?
A query for a query seems a fair bargain.
What?
I ask you a question, and in return, you answer the silly clown's question. Okay? I'm Tatters. Tatters the clown. Now, where is my horn?
Horn? What horn?
Yes, a horn! It's about this big! And when you squeeze this in, it makes a delightful little sound.
Look, man, I don't have your horn.
Well then, what good are you?
Did you cut it out with that thing? I'm trying to watch the news.
There were a string of ghastly murders last night in Colombia. No identities for the victims have yet been released. Our sources tell us that the killings are reminiscent of the Tatters the Clown killings of the late 1980s. Is there a copycat killer of the famous murderer's clown? We'll have more on this story and more at 5.
Did you know there was a killer clown in Colombia?
Yeah. You never heard of Tatters? He killed like a ton of people back in the day. Let me see. Oh, there he is. See? Well,
We have his horn.
what's up?
The horn.
What horn?
The horn. We have Tatter's horn. A killer clown, and we have his horn.
Come on. All clown horns look the same.
No. The Burger Shack guy said he said it was Tatter's horn. He said it was a famous clown.
That guy's crazy. He doesn't know what he's talking about.
No, he said it was Tatter's horn. Look, I don't know. I think we might have summoned him from beyond the grave.
Okay, someone has been sniffing the glue lately. Okay, look, I'll tell you what. We'll go to the Burger Shack, talk to what's-his-face, and get this whole thing sorted out.
Alright.
Okay?
Okay, let's go. Harry! Harry!
Harry!
He's not here.
Hey! We would like to ask you a few questions.
Look, man, I just gotta take this trash out and get back to work.
Where's Harry? Why isn't he here? What's happened?
Are you okay, man?
Look, man, I just gotta take this trash out and get back to work. I don't know anything.
Carl!
What
Carl!
happened? I know you know something. I know you're hiding something. I know it.
Carl!
So what happened?
Carl! Chill! Now, look,
It's Gerald.
Gerald, listen, I can see you're scared, all right? You're not in trouble or anything. We just like to know, where is Harry?
It's not y'all that I'm afraid of. Have you seen the news lately? I'm not risking my neck for y'all.
News? What news? Are you talking about the murders?
Yeah.
Look, just tell us what you saw, and we won't point anyone in that direction.
It's gonna sound crazy, but
But what? Come on, get on with it.
Carl, would you please shut up?
it's a clown. It's a clown, man. Just like the news said, it's a clown.
Okay. It was a clown. What happens next?
The clown took him away, like picked him up and everything. From what I heard, it was looking for like a horn or something like that. I wasn't getting too close to find out.
He wants the horn. He wants the horn. Harry gave me the horn. Harry's gonna talk. He's gonna tell him who I am. I need to hide. No, we need to hide. We need to hide.
Carl, listen to me! Panicking will get us nowhere. Now, what we're gonna do is that we will report Harry as missing. And we'll do some more research in regards to this whole clown situation. All right? I'm sure it's nothing. All right? But we just have to put our trust in the officers of the law. All right? Listen, everything's gonna be all right. You need to get it together. All right? Just calm down, man. Everything's gonna be all right, man. Don't.
Some kid! You gave the horn to some kid!
Yeah.
Even though I explicitly told you to hang on to it!
Yeah?
Do you hate your old man so much that you would disobey his last request?
Well, it's been a few years. I figured by now you was dead or wasn't coming back.
A joke and a honk. That was all that was needed to set me free. Then, destroy the horn. Then, immortality. The gypsy will know where the horn is. The gypsy will know.
You killed all those people, didn't you?
Not now, Harry. Daddy's scheming.
Any breakthroughs?
No, not yet. Just some weird theories about how when Tatters was killed by that mob, sources say that his soul was preserved by gypsy magic after his death or some sort of nonsense.
That's it.
What's it?
Gypsies. Look, if gypsies knew how to preserve his soul. Here, let me see this. Right? Alright, look. There's a gypsy matriarch right here. And it even gives us their number. We're calling.
Look, man, even if, mind you, that's a big if, this whole story is completely true. There's no way in hell this specific gypsy lady would know anything about this.
The clown?
Yes, how did you know?
Well, I know his name, where he's been, and what he's looking for.
It's this, isn't it? He's looking for this.
Yes, the horn must remain intact, or else the spirit of Tatters will have permanent form in this world.
Alright, but then how do we defeat him?
Well, never quite mastered nose comedy in life, though that's his weakness in death. You're going to have to honk the horn to his nose in order to return him to the horn.
Let me just go back for a second. Let's just say I believe all this. Now, how are we supposed to stop this psychopathic, murderous clown?
Well, it's simple. You invoke the one thing the clown is on or bound to compete in. A clown off.
Of course.
And Tom, you know I've never been funny, right? You think you could, do it? I mean, if I do it, I'm just gonna freeze up and nothing's gonna happen.
Carl, if I tell you I will do it, will you shut up?
Where'd that girl go?
She asked too many questions.
So she didn't have the right horn.
No, she didn't have the right horn. If you would just tell me where that boy is.
Oh, this came for you.
You won't be needing that sign anymore, my boy.
Let's do this.
Heading into the final event, you're both tied. Whoever wins this event gets to keep the horn. So let freeform clowning begin.
Yeah. Ooh. Clown down. You know it's so nice to see you.
Hey, no! He's cheating! Attacking people is not a clown activity.
As long as he turns it into a joke, it's fair game. It's up to Tom to win this.
Tom. It looks like you could use some first blade.
I knows your secret. Goodbye.
Harry! Daddy! Harry, don't forget me, son. And don't forget when you're killing someone to make a joke. No!
Only you can destroy the horn now. It's the only way to ensure he never returns.
¡Ahí está la fruta para